Today, we're gonna play Talkable. This is a super fun game. You can you can put you can download this in Apple and even Android. So this is a funny game, and there's even secrets, just like Ro Robot. So if we open this, there's a heart. There's a heart. Next, there is a secret code that you need to put this at triangle. Triangle. I love it, triangle. Triangle. We'll open this. And a dance party with this. So, we see robots. They can fly. Look. Boom. Boom, boom. Where do we put? There's a secret. Look. Come on. Look at that. There's even more. Guys, if you're new, you can actually click this. And you will get the dance party and next the heart. It's one of my favorites. Well, there's another one. Next, next is my favorite one. This. So actually, you can open this. You can get two compass. Next, let's get this. Ooh, diamond. Ah, there's diamonds. Diamond. Look at this. Look at this. Next, loading. Next, this. That secret is one of my hardest to find. Next there. Actually, I thought this can open, but actually, I think so that can open. But this can open. This is one of my favorites. Because sometimes I collect plants. This had the most plants. So this is my favorite. Next. Somebody get this. Next. By the way, I have even hacks. You can just first do this twice. First actually you can get this. And a diamond. Next, the sun with glasses. And even this diamond. You can do the sunglasses every time. And you can change even places. This is the guy. Now I cannot fit. Loopy friends. Next. The next you can get is free gifts. But actually, you cannot just get something that actually have the diamond first. This diamond is the most hardest to get. In here, look at this. This is the diamond. I'm just joking. This is the diamond. I gonna even unlock phones in the end of this. By the way, don't forget, you can download this game even in Android and iPhone. Next, we land. There's a dance party there. First, when you see, this is thermal, but paper mask and even this. And it's electric, so well, dance party. Even people can do it. Even a rock. Give me rock. Give me rock. Rock. Let's go. Rocks dancing. Live. There's even more. I need to find that. That while saying the phone. Actually, I cannot find the final one of this. Oh yeah, I forgot this. Okay. This is the final one before we unlock the phone. The phone in the end. I will get that. Next, the final one. Guys, if you're just a starter, you can actually get monies. You can actually get monies. Get monies. And down here, there's a coin. Look, you think it's just normal, but zoom in, there's a secret. It even has these coins. Wait, this fish is new. What the? Oh, that's a flounder fish. That's new, guys. That's a flounder fish. Okay. Next. Click. Next, I gonna unlock the phone. This is the most secretive. First, you need to get in this. And next, you need to get the golden controller. You can get this or this. But this is have 100 chance. Because that's how the chance. Next, that. Next, the final step is go here. You will get the phone. Next, you need to go here. Get this mysterious box. Guys, there's even a secret here. Take this. Next, take that. Next, you need to get this Tokaboka. Put everything in the box. Look at that. I get 4. By the way, there's even secret here. This and that and even more. If you put the food here, just get the food. There is a secret will spawn. These are the most secret. But this, did you think this is nothing? This is actually they made shiny. And there is a Christmas tree. Guys, there's even more. There's even more. Let's go see. Let's see you see. Free gift time. Free gift. Ako ta sa campus. Like, oh na! I glitched it. I got 3 persons. Okay, wow. And actually, this is mysterious. There's a hat here. But the campus doesn't. Why? That is mysterious. Actually, you can find phones like this. A flip phone. Whoa, this is new. Wow. And even a planting. Look at that. That will be a sunflower. Ooh. That is new, guys. And this is kind of scary. Because what happened to this? Wait. Okay. When I found that, I'm kind of scared. But there's actually more phones. Yes. Let's go move. There's actually a laptop. Yes, keep moving because there's more. Just like this. This is new. And the cat. We found 3. But there's actually one more. That I found in my other channel. Go visit it. My other channels are the lowest things. This is my official channel. I have one channel. Actually, in total, we have 2 channels. And finally, this. We have phones. There's so many secrets. Whether there's lists of a note, even a kiss letter. So guys, if you want to see that, let's go. Just click this. Oh no. This is so sad. It says missing. It says missing. I gotta screenshot it. Okay. Oh no. Let's talk about how to secret. Okay. Tunnels. Wait. Let's go see. Let's go screenshot it. All of my videos. How can I do that? Oh, oh no. Oh shit, oh no. Okay. Okay, wait. I cannot screenshot it. Can I just floating button? Camera. So I can screenshot it. Let's screenshot it. That's crazy. Tokaboka has a secret. You don't know that? It's a dark story. It is a dark story. Here, okay. What? No. But there's actually... Oh. Oh no. Okay, another one. Everyone. This is supposed to be a fun, not a scary music. Okay, that's scary. Why there's two bats? This one and there. Oh, I have an idea. I have an idea. What will happen? What will happen if we don't play? By the way, the video's almost ending. The almost ending video. There's a sad. So that means what will happen if that two
Ayun o, sa tabi ni tita mo.
come together? Let's go see. Let's go see. Let's go see. Hi, Ted.
Dito po, dito.
Next. Let's go. So where's the? Yeah, this is just a bus. Okay. Perfect. Now let's go find it. Where's that? What will happen? This is finally. Okay. Okay, doesn't work. Well, actually, this is the end of the video. I will find more secrets soon. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, Toka Boka is a fun game. You can download it in everything. Android, even computers or even TV. Here, yes, anything. Even iPhone. By the way, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to download it if you want it. Bye.